called as the structure. So second question is, what is flexure member? Flexure member or element. So what is meant by flexure member?
Which takes bending.
Which takes bending.
Bending, madam.
Okay, sir, right. So flexure means flexibility to bend. Right? Otherwise, it is also called as the bending. Right? So if supposing you take a slab, so this is slab connected with the beam, and this is the neutral axis of the beam, I mean slab. So when there is a load, generally the load comes for the slab, gravity load comes, right? It comes 90° to the neutral axis. So when this load comes, so the major loads come 90° to the neutral axis, right? Perpendicular to the neutral axis for the slab. So because of this load, this slab, it will bend like this. So it will deflect like this. Right? And this has a flexibility to bend. That's why it is deflecting. So that means any member or element which takes the major load, that is in the direction of 90° to the neutral axis, and if that member, if it can resist those loads and if it has the flexibility to bend, those members or elements are called as the flexure member. So slab is a flexure member. And next one is beam. So this is beam connected with column. Here there is a slab. So from the slab, the load will be transferred to the beam. So the loads will be acting 90°. So this is the neutral axis of the beam. So the major loads will be coming from the slab to the beam, which will be acting 90° to the neutral axis. So because of this load, this beam, it will bend like this. So beam also has the flexibility to bend, and it can able to take major loads in this direction, which is 90° to the neutral axis. So beam is also an flexure member. And another flexure member is footing. This is column and the footing. This is the neutral axis of the footing. Neutral axis is just an imaginary axis or the central axis. So from the column, the load will be transferred to the footing. It will be acting 90° to the neutral axis. So the major loads will be coming to the footing in this direction from the column, which is 90° to the neutral axis. And this footing, it can able to resist this load and it will bend like this. So it has a flexibility to bend, and it has a flexibility to resist these load. Right? So footing is also an flexure member. So all these slab, beam and footing, all these are flexure member. So the member or element that takes major loads perpendicular to its central axis is called the flexure member or element. So for example, beam, slab and footing.